With busy lifestyles, a doorbell that doubles as a security system is a game changer. Along with simplifying visitor and delivery monitoring, it also enhances the safety of your smart home. That's why smart doorbells are rapidly gaining popularity. Among the plethora of brands out there, only a few support HomeKit. Aqara Smart Video Doorbell G4 and Logitech Circle View are the most highly regarded choices. However, similarities and differences do exist between these two doorbells, and if you're struggling to choose between two doorbells, our video is perfect for you, as in this video, we'll compare the features of these two doorbells and help you pick the perfect one for your home. With a mix of standard and unique features, these smart doorbells have revolutionized the traditional doorbell. The Aqara Smart Video Doorbell G4 and the Logitech Circle View boast a contemporary and sleek design, making them visually appealing and space-saving. Furthermore, the user-friendly design and weather-resistant build ensure optimal performance even during challenging outdoor conditions. With the easy wired installation process, the Circle View doorbell can replace your existing wired doorbell and works with your indoor chime. However, the G4 doorbell comes with 2-in-1 installation process. It can be powered either by a 6AA battery pack for up to 4 months or by connecting it to the existing doorbell wiring for a constant power supply. Moreover, it includes a chime repeater equipped with a loud 95 dB speaker that emits an alarm in response to various events such as break-ins, vibrations, or water leaks. Even though both doorbell comes with a high-quality video and color night vision, the Logitech Circle View doorbell offers TrueView HD video in a 160-degree field of video portrait view from head to toe. Meanwhile, Aqara Video Doorbell G4 slightly expanded the 162-degree field of view in 1080p video quality. With the infrared night vision, both the doorbell allows clear vision even at night. Both of these doorbells offer advanced face recognition features. With local AI face recognition, Aqara Video Doorbell G4 allows you to mark up to 30 local faces in the app and also enables you to customize the welcome home scenes of each family member. On the other hand, the Logitech Circle View doorbell also allows you to mark the faces of family and friends in the HomeKit app. Like every other doorbell, both these doorbells offer a two-way audio function to speak with visitors or delivery people. But what makes G4 stand out is its function to protect your privacy by helping you disguise your voice as one of 4 options such as an uncle, robot, etc. Moreover, it also allows a smart automation experience with its custom ringtones option for your loved ones on indoor and outdoor units. Both the Aqara Smart Video Doorbell G4 and Logitech Circle View can be connected to Apple HomeKit Secure Video to ensure the safety of your data. While an iCloud Plus plan and HomePub device provide Circle View doorbell with Apple HomeKit Secure Video, end-to-end encryption, and custom activity zones. A subscription to iCloud allows G4 to record and playback using HomeKit Secure Video and get notified on Apple devices. Apart from Apple HomeKit, G4 also works with Amazon, Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. Aqara G4 offers 24/7 1080p Full HD recording and includes event-based cloud storage of up to 7 days. It also supports microSD cards of up to 512 GB, which can be accessed only through the chime repeater. However, Logitech Circle View doorbell offers a 10-day motion-based recording history securely stored in iCloud without using any of your storage limits. Despite sharing many similar features, both these versatile and secure devices have unique advantages to keep your home safe and connected. While the Logitech Circle View is a decent option for Apple users with HomeKit compatibility, the Aqara Smart Video Doorbell G4 offers superior advanced features and broader compatibility along with HomeKit at a lower cost. So if you're looking for more advanced features and compatibility without breaking the bank, Aqara Smart Video Doorbell G4 is perfect for you. So that was all about the comparison between Aqara Smart Video Doorbell G4 versus Logitech Circle View. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.